guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new, my name is Melanie. If you guys are a returning subscriber, hi, how are you guys doing? So today I'm going to be doing my unboxing and first impressions of my Boxycharm for October. I can never record a video without him being in my arms. I don't know, I don't know. So you guys are gonna see like the top of his head and his hair a little bit. I just can never record without a little person being here. Let me go ahead and show you guys what I got in my October Boxycharm. So the box is actually a little bit smaller compared to last month's box for September. But this is what it looks like when you open it, if I can get it. And then it has the paper. And this one says turn over, and then it talks about Boxycharm Premium or 2.0, and I think it kind of starts in November. On the inside it tells me what I get, and they're having a giveaway with Facetune. And this is the Boxycharm After Dark. So the first thing that I see up here is the Elm Superfood Vital Veggie Mask. This is what it looks like. And this is $35. I'm not going to use this today because it is a mask. So I will go ahead and let you guys know if I like this or not. The next thing I see is the Luna by Luna. And this is a eyeliner, and I believe this is in the shade blue. They only have two shades, which is baby blue and charcoal black, and I ended up getting the baby blue one. And this retails for $18. I've never heard of this brand before, and this is what it looks like. Pretty color. The next thing I got was the Iconic London. This is the lip plumping glass in the shade Nearly Nude. Pretty nude color, and this retails for $26. This is such a pretty nude color. I wonder if it has a smell to it. It smells very minty. I'm kind of afraid to swatch this on the back of my hand just because it is a plumping lip gloss. My hand is probably going to tingle and be all fat. It looks like a pretty nude color. The next thing I got is the Dose of Colors Baked Browns. And this is a 5-pan eyeshadow palette. And this retails for $32. On the back it does have the names. So I did get another neutral palette. So this is what the packaging looks like. It's very shiny, and then it has the names in the back. This is so hard to do with a little person in your arms. So then you open it and you get like a little plastic veil. You get a dual-ended brush, and then these are your shades. Very pretty. So we got those. And the last thing in my box is the Touch and Soul Pretty Filter Glassy Skin Balm. It's so like reflective-y. This retails for $32. So I'm gonna go ahead and start off with the Touch and Soul Pretty Filter Glassy Skin Balm. Like I said earlier, this does retail for $32. It is supposed to be a hydrating, priming skin balm with a sensationally smooth texture that melts into your skin and creates the ultimate glow that lasts throughout the day. I'm hoping it doesn't make me too glowy. This is what the packaging looks like. It's super pretty. So I'm going to go ahead and prime my face really quick with this. It smells a little weird, but this is what like the inside looks like. I don't see any glitter or anything, which I guess is a good thing. But I don't want to take too much of this just because I don't know how glowy this is going to make my face. It does feel really nice. It does feel really like hydrating. It's not too thick and it's not too runny. It's like the perfect consistency. Okay, so far I like this. So this is going to be my face primer. I'm going to go ahead and do eyebrows, get my eyes primed, and then we'll come back to go ahead and use the eyeshadow palette in today's look. So I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back. So I did this eye off camera, and I'm going to do this eye with you guys. So this is what I came up with. So I had such a brain fart trying to figure out what to do because they're browns, so I have a hard time with browns. There was one red and one pink, but still, like, I I couldn't. So this is what I came up with. I needed a shimmer in here, so I ended up adding my own shimmer. But so let me go ahead and show you guys what I did. So I primed my eyes with the Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer. This is in the shade C2. I went in with the Royal and Land Nickel Precision Angled Brush to go ahead and like blend out the concealer. Next I went in, I'm gonna go in with this Coastal Scents number 12 brush, and I'm going to be taking the shade Tea Light, which is the first shade here, and that's what I'm going to use to go ahead and set the concealer. These eyeshadows have a lot of fallout. I don't know if you guys could see that, but these eyeshadows have seriously a lot of fallout. Then I went in with this Wet n Wild crease brush, and I went in with the shade, what is this even called? This is called Deserted, which is this like brown shade here. And I'm gonna go in very lightly with this in my crease. Just like that. So then I'm going in with a Profusion crease brush, and I'm going to go in with the shade I'm gonna go in with the shade Cherry Wood, which is this red color here, which is like the only red color out of the palette. I'm just gonna go very little, and we're just gonna put this in our crease very lightly and just blend it out. Okay, so that's it with this palette. I needed a shimmer just because I just couldn't leave the eyes like this. They're just too matte for me. So I went in with my highlighter, which is from Ulta. It's in Pink Diamond. I went in with the Coastal Scents 15 eyeshadow brush, and I just put this all over my lid, and I put this as my brow bone color. Go with eyeliner. They're not going to come out the same. We already know this, so we're just gonna try. For lashes, I'm gonna be using the Kiss Naked Drama Collection, and these are the ones in Veil. That's what they're looking like. So now I'm gonna do my face. The primer is actually settling into my skin. My face doesn't really look too like shiny or glowy, but it does have like a little glow to it. Okay, this wand is very flimsy, like it's super flimsy. It's a pretty nude color. I think it brings in the look, which I like. I can feel the tingliness right now. It's not too bad, but I can feel it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye, guys.